Hi, my name is Sarah Garza. I'm a 10-year social studies educator, and today I'm here to do an unboxing video with you of teacher-created materials iCivics readers. The iCivics readers are a literacy resource that promote both critical thinking and civic discourse. So let's jump into the box and see what we've got. Okay, first thing, there are 10 different high interest nonfiction readers for your students, and there are 6 copies of each reader. In the bag, you'll also find lesson plans that go with each reader. So this really allows you to differentiate, helps you plan the way your lesson's gonna go for your students, saves you some time, very easy to use, high quality lesson plans that are aligned to state standards and also reinforce those 21st century skills that we want our students to have. And along with the lesson plans also comes student work pages, as well as formative and summative assessments. So those exist for each of the 10 readers. In addition, there's a management guide. Now your management guide has research, best practices, and pacing plans. So that's a handy resource. We've also got Civics game cards. So there are actually 6 copies of the game cards, and this is a fun, engaging, collaborative way for your students to review and to reinforce the information that they've been learning in their readers. So that's super fun. And we also have digital and multimedia resources. The digital and multimedia resources include professional development videos for you, the teacher, created by iCivics. There are also ebooks, audio recordings of each of the books, which is really helpful for your struggling reader or your English learner. There are also songs and other videos to kind of help extend the learning. And the digital and multimedia resources really allow for this product to be used in any type of classroom. In person, virtual, hybrid, this product can kind of do it all. The iCivics readers are really here to make civics education and literacy education something that is simple for you, the teacher, that is engaging and fun for the student, and that really helps them build that civics knowledge and apply and practice the civic skills that we want our students to have. So to learn more about this incredible resource, click the link below.